Hey guys, today I will show you how to add the Phantom Wallet extension on Google Chrome. So first what you need to do is type Phantom Wallet Google Chrome into the search bar. Once the results appear, scroll past the sponsored ads and click on the official Phantom link that shows the Chrome extension. After that, you'll see an option in the top right corner that says Add to Chrome. This is the official Phantom Wallet extension. You could also install it through their website, but here we'll click Add to Chrome. Once you do that, the extension will begin installing and you'll be taken to the Phantom Wallet website. At this point, you can either connect an existing wallet or create a new one if you don't already have one. Since I already have one, I'll select Connect. You'll notice there are different options, including using a seedless wallet. This is an online wallet, not a cold hardware wallet. Choose Continue with email if that's the method you prefer. Next, log into your account and enter the PIN for your wallet. After that, type in your password to unlock Phantom on your computer. Click Continue and you'll see your accounts appear. From here, just press Continue again, then get started. Now if you go to your Chrome extensions in the top right corner and select Phantom, you'll see the pop-up open showing your Phantom Wallet dashboard. That's how you add and access the Phantom Wallet Chrome extension. Thanks for watching.